what's going on? 59 here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do something I have never done before. Even with our birds, which I'm gonna do it soon or later. So, you wanna come over here, Chippy? Cheapings? Okay, well he doesn't want to come over here. So basically, as I'm going to do a night routine. So before we start the video, hope you subscribe, give a like, turn on notifications with the bell below. Now let's get started. You should appreciate me. Get a little dirty. Oh, it's this is Real Gamer 5290 here. Welcome to another video. For today, it's the Budgie side of life, and today, guys, it's going to be Chip and the Budgie's night routine. Yes, their night routine. So basically, it's not that much. Short video, short thing, but requested. So it's gonna be what I do, and the Budgies are in it. It's like both of us. So basically, back and forth. It'd be a super short video if it was just the Budgies, and it'd be a super short video if it was just me. So it would be Chippy though. So it's special co-star Sydney and all the rest. So basically, what I do is, it's actually 6 right now, so they are about to go to bed. They're not going to be let out anymore today. Everything's done. So basically what I do first is I edit. So basically I don't have anything right here right now, but I have made a Minecraft video just a few minutes ago that I need to edit. And I also need to clean up some things around the house. Well, around my room, because it's pretty messy. I was going to do Minecraft story mode, but I changed my mind on that one. And so basically, I'm going to turn the Roomba on, and I'm going to let these guys eat their last bit of food before they go to sleep, and then they can't see any of their food anymore. So, hi Sydney, guys. So Chippy is already on that. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna eat. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna eat. Okay, so basically I have to pick up everything. I think everything's good. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on. Oops. Okay. Oh, nope. Rubber band. Okay, so as you can see, I have to watch this thing or else it will suck up everything inside. So, it does the trick, and it'll go all around the room in about how much time? I think it goes all the way around the room in about 10 minutes, and then it kind of circles around again. So basically, it's pretty hefty. So, Chip, tonight, for his dinner, sorry for the competing noise, he is eating this. I don't want my Bella's Roomba to go over here, mainly because of the cords. Sorry, Roomba. It's gonna get off course a little bit, but I have to do that. Okay, so, it's Cockatiel and Budgie food. Look at this little Budgie on the side. Look at that. Okay, well, so this is pellets and, ooh, the finest ingredients. I never really looked at this. So it has like corn and peas in it and grain? Oh, no, it's not grain. Okay, anyway, excuse me, can you move? Okay, anyway, stop! Oh my gosh, okay, that's annoying. So basically, he's going to be eating these. He still has some in his food bowl. So, hello! Chippy, 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 chippy. We probably will let him out one last time. Not millet. Yeah, got the millet. And then Sydney and the other Budgies will be premium gourmet seed. So that's what they usually eat. You guys who are members of the channel should know that they eat seeds. That's what they look like. So Just put it on the ground. I'm gonna be eating that. I'm going to be exiting. And probably... It just died. Okay then. So, I was wondering why it wasn't picking up stuff. I'm like, why is it going so slow? It died. Okay, and then I'm probably going to type some on my typewriter. Then I'm probably going to read my Wing Feather Saga. And it's this book right here that I'm absolutely obsessed with. So, yes. And I'm probably going to let out Chip one last time because tomorrow we're going to Charlotte, which is pretty exciting. And yeah, so Chippy. Oh, it's stuck. Sorry, Chip. Hey, Chippy. You want to come out? You came right here. You're like, oh, you got that weird camera thing out again. I'm sorry, Chip. She's like, why did you get that out again? Anyways, so I did take them all around the house earlier. So the Budgies, so he gets let out 3 times a day. But it's not like an hour like the Budgies because we have to stay with him and he's on us. So basically he gets let out at the same time, amount of time as the Budgies, just more times. He called Gretelin Larry. Larry! Larry! I was so upset.
Go back to Grace.
Anyway, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hi! Okay, so basically I'm going to edit. So yeah. I'm going to do that, and basically that's about it that I do for the night routine. You really like that camera, don't you? You really like that camera. Hey. Ooh! He doesn't like fingers, obviously. That hurts. Sorry, guys. Look how aggressive he is. Look how aggressive! Okay, I have to cover up my ear and he'll bite it. Guys, by the way, just a little sneak peek. I am making, which videos? Christmas video. It's like a last minute Christmas video. And, yeah, it's gonna be exciting. It's Christmas Tumble and, Christmas Mod Pack. So that's gonna be fun. So, if you ever wondered, this is, like, I have so many, what are you eating? Hey, don't eat my hair! You chewing on my hair again? That's really bad for you. Okay, so I'm gonna get the intro, and I'm gonna, alright, that's all you can see, guys. You can only see the intro. So, thank you all for watching. Hope you subscribe, if you like, turn on notifications, listen down below, and we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. Let's go bed, Chippy. Let's go to bed now. Well, the birds go to bed, but I'll stay up. Goodbye.